the news, you might ask? It's that right there, garage therapy. And we'll get to what that is here in 1 second as soon as I get in front of the camera again. The news is I'm partnering up with Garage Therapy. They are a car shop at the Carolina Exotic Car Club that owns one of the bays, and they run their little partnership out of this garage, and it's an extremely cool place. If you haven't checked out Carolina Exotic Car Club, please do. I do have a previous video if you guys want to check that out. I will leave a link in the description so you can go back and check out that little cool little editing video I did, probably one of my better ones, and that's not saying much. Just kidding, I'm confident, and that's what I'm sticking with. Anyway, what we're doing is partnering up. I'm promoting their business, and they're gonna help me gain some views by the content that they're going to be able to provide for me, such as how-to videos, fabricating videos, and all that stuff. So I suggest you guys stick around and join the journey with myself, Jordan, and Roscoe out of Garage Therapy. And if you live in the Raleigh area, stop by at the next Cars and Coffee event. I will leave a link to that Facebook page in the description. Sorry, I forgot what I was trying to say, but I'll leave a link to the Facebook group for that car meet, and that way you can check it out and see when these events are. Stop by and talk to us, ask us questions, and if you can't get there, just leave a comment right down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little montage that I put together of them working on a Subaru BRZ for a customer, doing coilovers, control arms, alignment, and camber adjustment. If you need that done, here's exactly what it'll look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys at the end for the outro. Enjoy!
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please join the journey. There's going to be a lot of fun stuff on the way, and again, I will update you guys on a schedule that we come up with. I'm going to make it a point to talk to them guys about like when they would like me to come out, or if there's a certain project that, you know, they would want to show or anything of that nature. We'll keep you guys updated as soon as I know more information. And again, if you have any questions, comment below. Find my Facebook page, it's in the description as well, and we'll see you guys on the next video for some more cool stuff and a little bit more garage therapy. That's what I'm talking about for the crazy car guys out there. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.